Alright, so when I bought the truck, it came with this extra door here for the passenger side. It looks like it's already been primed, but I don't know with what. So I'm going to hit it with some 180 really quick, just so that I can shoot it with my black primer and know that it will stick. Alright, so after sanding it down, it looks like this door is something that somebody had and straightened out. So it's actually an old door that somebody's just done most of the work on. I did put some filler in here just a little bit to bring it up to level. Now I'm just wiping everything down with some denatured alcohol, and I'm going to shoot it with some epoxy primer. Alright, so I had originally filmed me taking the parts off the old door and putting it on this new door, except for I didn't have the window channels and the door felts, and I didn't know what I was doing, so I figured just to keep the video length down, I'm just going to show me taking this one apart, putting in the window channels and the door felts, and I'll show you the best way to do that. So you're going to need a small screwdriver to take the knobs off. Phillips, unscrew the panel. So then you're going to want to roll the window all the way down. First thing you have to do is pull the wing window out, which is held in place by these two here. Now I just had these off, but if this is the first time you've taken these off, you're going to want to blast these with some PB blaster and tap them with a hammer because they get stiff. Loosen all the rest of them up. Now when you get up here, you have to rotate. Wing windows out. Now roll the window up. It's the door lock. Then you can get to the two bolts that hold the window on the track. Bigger opening on the front here, so anything you can't get out, slide it and wiggle it out. All right, now for the window track, this is supposed to be held in, but it looks like it came out with two 3/8 inch bolts that hold the track in. Alright, so here's one half of the kit. I put the other half in the other door already. Here's the old channel. Now, these come with these little metal clips here. I only used one on the other one, so I'd recommend if you can save those. It says it comes with clips, but my package didn't, and you'll want at least one to keep the corner up there. So I'm just going to kind of roughly mold this to shape here. Piece here holds the window channel in place. Oh, it goes through here, I forgot. So there's a little tab right here that channel slides into. So I'm going to try and do first. Now I have the inside part of the channel loosely tightened up. I guess I didn't actually need to take this striker out. I did last time because you have to, when I was changing the track, you have to take it out to wiggle this bar out, but if you're not taking the track out, I guess you don't have to. I'm just going to kind of push this approximately to shape here. I had to clip a little bit off the last side. Window down, get the wing in. Leave those loose while I put in the Phillips. 2 long ones are up here, 2 short ones on the side. Like on the other one, I had to trim this upper piece here.
It's going to be fairly tight the first 2 times you roll it up, because that's to form the window channel.
Right, and I didn't show it, but before you start, the first couple times you roll this up, it's going to be really tight. Make sure you tighten all of these bolts up so it's not flopping, so that the track's tight and stuff. And also so that you don't strip out your splines. There's some vice grips on there because the first couple times you do it, it's going to be really tight, trying to push everything in place. That's pretty good there. Then with one of those old clips you saved, you straighten out the little pins here. You'll see a recess up here, so you can line it up. Grab some channel locks. You can feel when it goes in. And then, there we go. Now the window felt part's actually really easy. The old ones came out very easily with just a flat little screwdriver. Reach it in there, you can see the brackets, and the old ones pop right out. So they're really easy. Snap in and done.